and welcome to a new Tech Talk edition. My name is Miriam Rickli and today we're talking about Starrag's footprint in the North America operation. And my Tech Talk guest today joining me live from Cincinnati. Please welcome Udo Herbers, Managing Director of North America Operation, and Tim Mooney, Director of Sales North America. So hi guys, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Miriam.
Me too. I'm really excited to learn more about Starrag USA. So first of all, Udo, tell me, how long have you been in the US?
I'm in the United States, Miriam, since 2006. When I moved over to the United States, I held a manager position with another machine tool company on the West Coast. And I started with Starrag in May of 2019.
So you're working for Starrag a little bit more than 2 years. Udo, I'm curious to know, since when does Starrag have a location in the US and where is it located?
Starrag moved to the United States in 1955. At that time, through American Zip. American Zip became later part of the Starrag Group. In 2000, the company decided to open a new headquarters in Hebron, Kentucky, and that is where we still remain today.
So tell me more about the Hebron location.
Sure, Miriam. In our Hebron location, which is actually our headquarters in the United States, our whole management operates out of this facility here, which is HR, accounting, application management, and service. In addition, we have our laboratory here in our facility. In our laboratory, we have currently 2 machines where we perform test cuts, training and other kind of application for our customers. And very soon, we are very excited, we are getting a third machine into our laboratory. The machine is currently on his way from Europe to the United States, and we expect the machine in early of Q4.
Udo, you mentioned service. So where are the spare parts for your North American customer base coming from?
Miriam, the short answer is from the United States. The slightly longer answer is Starrag has their own spare parts facility here in the United States. In the past, we were located in Dallas, Texas, but over the time, we outgrew this facility. 2 years ago, we decided to open a new spare part facility very close to our Hebron headquarters, 20 minutes from here, and also very convenient, located to the airport. So most of our spare parts, we can ship the same day of the order.
Wow, I think that's amazing, right?
Yes, Miriam, this is part of our commitment to our customers in the United States.
Tim, my next question goes to you. So, Tim, for which markets other than defense does Starrag offer solutions?
Starrag is able to offer a machine for any market that requires a high accuracy, highly productive machine. Whether it's aerospace, energy, transportation, industrial, we'll have the right machine for the right customer. Our portfolio is pretty large, so whether it's a big or small part, we'll have a solution.
Very interesting. So, Tim, tell me, why do you think Starrag is well suited to these applications?
Starrag is well suited to these applications because we have a large portfolio of machine tools that are able to cut all materials in a variety of sizes. A typical Starrag customer has a product that has a very high precision or something unique that makes it very challenging. By having solutions that can cut parts that other manufacturers can't, a Starrag customer really sees the benefits. By engineering precisely what you value, we're able to produce parts others cannot.
Besides having the right machine for the application, what else is important for the US customers?
Starrag not only prides itself on having the right machine for the solution needed, but also having US-based service and parts. Having a US-based team and full support allows our customers to ensure their productivity while having service available just a phone call away.
I'm glad to hear that, Tim. And now back to Udo. I've heard you've expanded your efforts to Mexico. So tell me a little bit more about this expansion.
Yes, Miriam, that is absolutely correct. Mexico is a very dynamic, growing market, especially for aerospace and transportation. If we look into aerospace, if we go back to 2019, Mexico was actually the 14th largest manufacturer for aerospace components in the world. If we look into transportation, the predicted outlook for the next few years is a double-digit growth. And to be absolutely closer to our customers, it was very important to Starrag to open their own office in Mexico to provide service, application, and certainly sales to our customers in Mexico.
That sounds awesome. Udo, Tim, thank you so much. It was such a pleasure to talk with you.
Thank you, Miriam, and goodbye to Switzerland.
Goodbye. And dear audience, I hope you liked it as well. Subscribe to the channel, like it, give it a thumbs up, and we hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.